So we gotta have another conversation about this weekend. I gotta understand what happened. I mean, I'm getting lots of different stories from you and Ryan and Shane and other individuals. I need to know what happened this weekend.
I've already told you what happened.
Technically, you
Am I
have
allowed to
right.
smoke over here?
You can smoke if you want to.
I'm
Yes.
asking out of respect.
Yeah, you're fine.
Can I sit here so it's a distance? Okay.
You're fine. Katie, I'm not coming here to try to be aggressive. I just need to understand
No, I'm asking
where we're at.
because
And then
it's
because,
yeah. Is that what you said?
I appreciate that. So, obviously, the story that you told, that Ryan told me earlier was not true. So, you were here with Zayd when he had an accident. What happened after he had an accident? Okay. Where was the interaction with Shane? So how did that interaction go?
She followed in that direction when he went to get a bottle of water, and my son was walking into the house.
Okay.
What my son had said to Ryan.
But not to you.
No, my son never told me anything about it.
Okay. Is there a possibility that when he had an accident, you disciplined him?
No. I never disciplined him.
Did you go into the bathroom with him after he had an accident?
No, I was in the front room right here the whole duration, dealing with Aaliyah throwing up.
But Cheyenne told me she held Aaliyah the whole time.
Yeah, after she handed her to me when she threw up everywhere.
So there was never a point in time where you were in the bathroom with Zayd?
No, I've never been in the bathroom with David.
How did he get a shower? Like he starts it by himself, he plugs it by himself, he does all of that? I mean, I just find it difficult to believe kind of the situation because I'm getting bits and pieces. You're saying that you had a conversation with Shane. Shane said there was never a conversation that he had with you and or Kayla. He's saying that, there's a conversation of you being in the bathroom with Zayden after the incident.
Took place in front of my Aunt Kayla, and my Aunt Kayla is a lying bitch. Excuse my language, but she is.
But I thought you said that she would vouch for what happened. So you're saying that she would be truthful with me in one instance, and now you're telling me that she's
untruthful. Yeah, she would be
untruthful.
truthful with you is what I thought, but apparently family's not always family.
So my other question is that you've always told me you don't know who Zayden's real dad is, correct?
What is that?
Is he staying here when he comes to visit? Is Zayden staying?
To have it approved from Quentin.
Who's Quentin?
My house arrest officer.
Yeah.
To be able to go anywhere?
I can't just take him anywhere and leave
which
anywhere.
she's true that she can.
But as far as does anybody come and pick him up and take him anywhere?
No, because Josh had never said it was okay. So I wouldn't let him leave the house with just anybody without your guys' permission because I don't want to do anything without any permission and it falls back on me. Not even just with DCS, but help.
But there's been an incident
So
since they've been back in
here's
your
the thing,
home.
like
That's
with
where
an
we
open
gotta go.
assessment, like, and you also have the open case, like we just are trying to figure out exactly what happened. Because being just transparent, the assessment, depending on what all is discovered, can affect the case. So we're trying to figure out the truth. So that's why we're here, we're talking to you. We just want to get your something so we can decipher the truth.
Like, if you're more than welcome to go up and have that conversation.
Yeah.
Still.
Absolutely.
Would you like to do that? We can give you a ride up the opposite side. Have to. Is that what you want or he wants?
No, that's what Quentin approved.
Oh,
That's your
yeah.
house arrest.
You know what? When I called you and asked you to come up there, I didn't even think about that part. So, yeah, I forgot that I was in shit. So I wasn't even thinking about that.
We appreciate it, Katie. Like I said, I'm just making sure the kids are safe and trying to figure out exactly what took place. Because, like I said, there's multiple stories for multiple individuals, and it's not all jiving. You know what I'm saying? And so, at the end of the day, we have a job to do, and that's just what we do. Okay? Nothing personal, nothing against you or Ryan. It's just that we have to ensure that the kids are safe.
Yep.
So is Shane going to jail?
I can't answer that. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it'd be like at this point right now, it's between you, Ryan, and Shane. Those are the three individuals.
If you guys go and speak to Zayden will tell you the same thing that occurred. He would. You guys please need to go speak to Zayden.
But that's not what Zayden said, Katie. That's what I'm telling you.
What did he say then? Please inform me on that, please.
At this point, he said nothing happened. I'm going to go and talk to Zayden like I told you I was going to. And I'm going to try to find out if Zayden is comfortable enough to talk to me about what happened. And that's what I'm trying to figure out is there something else that happened that Zayden is trying to not tell anybody, and that's why he said nothing happened. Because if something really happened, Katie, we have to address it. We got to.
Yeah, well, about the situation with Shane putting his hands on my son, can we press charges on Shane if Zayden comes forward about it as well?
I am not a law enforcement officer, so I'm not pressing any charges.
Yeah, we're civil.
However,
civil and criminal
if it come out that Shane really did do something like this, then absolutely, I would substantiate on something like that. But it's not something that's what we're doing, Katie. Like you said, I'm addressing the allegation in this moment, right now. Right this minute, I'm addressing his allegation. And I'm going to leave here and I'm going to go talk to Zayden and I'm going to find out exactly what Zayden did this weekend. And after that happens, we can reconvene and I can tell you this is what was said, this is the information that I've been given, this is where I'm at with the information that I have, and this is where we're going to go. Does that make sense? It's going to be a process, but I'm going to ask you questions, and you might not like the answer the questions that I ask you, but they're questions I have to ask because if I don't ask them, then it's not a fair assessment of if the children are safe in your house or not. Does that make sense? And I'm not saying that your children aren't safe in your home. I just don't know that yet. Does that make sense?
Like he said, it's just a process for us to try to figure out everybody's story and put the pieces together.
If you want to come back up to the office and chat with Josh or Gretchen.
Yeah, he won't be there because he's going to talk to David.
You're more than welcome to do
but
that.
I'll be there. So, and Gretchen will be there too.
Any questions?
All right. Well, thank you.
Appreciate you.
We're not, like I said, we weren't trying to like drive you. We're just trying to put the pieces together. So, thanks, Katie.